Hello. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Abisade Adedayo and I am your money cheerleader, your online best friend, and the next best thing after jollof rice. So in today's video, as you guys can see from the title, we're talking about businesses that you can start with 50,000 naira or less in this country, like 50,000 naira. That is not even enough to do omble in this country anymore. Guess what? You can actually start a small business from there and grow from it. No joke. I'll share with you businesses you can start in this country with just 50,000 naira, no loan, no collateral, nothing. One on my list has to be perfume businesses. You guys, perfume oil business. Hey, people don't talk enough about this thing. There is money in perfume business. There is money in perfume business. You can start your perfume business by selling in smaller quantity, from 3 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml, and over time you can start selling like in higher quantities. But for now, perfume business is something that you can start with as even as low as 30,000 naira. This, and over time, you will grow into it. Everybody wants to smell good. You have your own niche, you have your own customer, you have your own clients. You can even start selling it in your offices. It can serve as a very good side hustle along with your other jobs. Do you understand me? You can sell in schools amidst your colleagues, your classmates, your hostel mates, and people that you know. And this, you're already like taking several steps away from poverty. Number 2 on my list, you guys, I will continually say this: thrift business, what you guys know as okirika. Thrift business is one of those businesses that you can do with as low as 50,000 naira and you're going to make your own money. Let me break it down for you. I started doing this business when I was in school. I did this business after COVID, and truth be told, guys, I made money from thrift business. I'm not even going to lie to you. Before you can start buying bail, before you can say, oh, you want to start carrying bail or start buying in large quantity, you can take your 50,000 naira to the market, go to Yaba, go to Katangwa or your local markets to pick very nice good clothes that you can easily sell. If you are someone that actually have like eyes for good things, you will not have a problem at all making waves in this particular business. Before you can start selling bills or start buying large quantity, 50,000 naira, if you want to do classy tops for office, you can do that with your money. If you want to do jeans, you can do that. If you want to do, or if I want to do party dress or cheeky dress is what I want to do. If you buy, let's say you buy a particular outfit for, let's 2,000 naira, for example, it might even be lower than that. You can sell as high or as low as 5,000 naira, putting 3,000 naira on it for you to sell. You will, when you get home after buying your thrift wear, you will wash, you will iron, and you will do like, you take good pictures and sell. This way you're already building your brand with just how much? 50,000 naira. 3 on my list, you guys, has to be cleaning services. I feel like a lot of people don't even know this enough. Cleaning services. You can buy your detergent, your basic thing that you're going to be needing. Most of the things you're going to be using, you're going to be getting them from your client's offices or your client's house. But this particular business, because a lot of people are very tired, a lot of people are trying to manage life, try and get money, try to have other like side hustle as well. Your own side hustle is for you to clean their house. They will pay you and you get money. Do you understand? I feel like a lot of people actually like overlook this particular business because they feel like, oh, belittling. But you can package yourself properly. If you want to be doing deep cleaning, if you want to be doing offices alone, you know that you are doing offices alone. If you are doing houses, if you are doing new houses as well, people build houses newly. You have stains on the wall, you have cement stains on the floor, you have cement, you have POP stains on the window like the windows. Your own expertise can be that you turn an old house into a new one, or you clean the house. This way, when you do the cleaning, you document all of the things that you are doing. You do the before picture and after picture. This way, you get more customers, and people pay for this, because if I cannot do it, I can outsource it to someone that can take the stress off me. So yes, cleaning business is something that you should look into if you are trying to look for a side also in 2025. Number 4 on my list, guys, has to be accessories business or jewelries. Hey, you people are joking on this particular one. Jewelries. Look at what I have on. When I bought this particular earring, I bought it for 5,000 naira. That's how much I bought it from the person that sold this earring to me. And what if I tell you that I found somebody, like I found an wholesaler that sold this earring to me half of that price? Now try to imagine me buying this particular earring for 2,500 naira and selling it for 5,000 naira, or even selling it for 4,000 naira, so that I can actually like push my market and sell in time. Do you know how much I'm actually going to be making, even having like 10 of these particular earring? Jewelries, you know, all those teddy bears or all those chains, keys that they actually use to design bags, or things that can actually just you can use to accessorize, are very, this is like something that you can make money with. You can even start your own, to be very honest. And if you need suppliers, if you need like an wholesaler, you can DM me privately for me to tell. I can give you. I'm not like, we don't gatekeep over here. If you need an wholesaler that sells earrings, that sell affordable earrings, or sell a few other items, it is something that I can actually share with you. We don't gatekeep over here. I actually feel like a lot of people actually sleep on this. Was it not earlier this month I bought earrings worth over 80k that I wanted to give to my friends? Like, I'm not even like, and if I'm supposed to resell all of these earrings, I'm going to be selling them for nothing less than 200 or 200k plus, and that's the truth. So jewelries, accessories, the chains, stainless, the knuckle rings, the things that people actually would enjoy. Don't joke with it though. That brings me to the number 5 on this particular list, you guys. Food business. Hey, food prep or food anything that goes into the mouth. Food business is one of the businesses that you can never ever run at a loss with. If you know how to cook very well, if you enjoy cooking, and people have complimented your food maybe like once or twice, or you yourself, you know that you dey cook, you dey try, this is a business that you should try. You should think about it. Please, everybody wants to eat. Everybody gets hungry. Food is something that no matter how much you complain that everything has gone up, we all still need to eat. So this is how you do it. 50,000 naira is not you can start with rice. You can start with spaghetti, for example. You make food. For the first one that you are going to be making, you are going to be making it for yourself and your family members. You will make it, show pictures about it, make videos about it, plate it into containers, plate it into the sizes of food, into the sizes of containers that you would want to sell your item with. You plate it, take pictures with it, and post it. People that know that you cook well will refer you. They will talk to you. They would eat your food, and you make videos about it and you post online. See what people see, and once people see, and people that know that you cook well, they will be your first customer, and over time you will grow. See, when people see affordable food, not the high-end one that are buying at restaurants and all of that, people would patronize you. Go to offices where they can easily like book you ahead, pre-order for lunch. Maybe like tomorrow you're making jollof rice and chicken. Maybe you're selling a plate for 3,000, a plate for 2,500 naira. It is something that people would buy. So far, you're offering them quality. You're offering them quality for their money. You're not trying to, and at times you can even do behind the scene. You can maybe like, for the first time now, let's say for the first one that you're cooking, remember, you're making it for a family and friend, but you're not trying to make it, you're not making it like you're making it for family and friends. You're making it the proper way you will make food for your customers. Do you understand? And when they eat the food, tell them to write you a review. Tell them to write you a review, and this is what you start posting to your customer. You're not faking it now. This is not fake it till you make it. This is like people that have tried your food, giving you like real life experience, that real life take on your food. This is what you use as customers review, and over time you grow your businesses. Because I'm very nice, I will give you guys extra. See, phone case accessories. Now hear me out. Nobody, if you know the amounts that people are buying phones now, phones are not cheap. People are paying so much money to cover up their phone. They will buy this, they will buy this. You understand? You can start selling, and you sell and miss, oh, you know that, oh, this is the kind of phone that actually like very, very rampant. Or even if you don't have the money right now to buy and keep in your house, you can easily be drop shipping. People actually do this thing, drop shipping. I think that's like the next one, drop shipping. Drop shipping, if you have like a particular wholesalers now that sells things very affordable and allows for drop shipping, so when you get pictures from them, when you get the pictures, you upload it, you put your own price. When customer wants it, when they want it, they'll pay into your own account. You pay. It looks like it's very very dicey, but it's actually not dicey. It's just like you A is the one that owns the business. B is the person that wants to sell, like a middleman basically. So when people come to B to come and buy from B, they will pay into B's account. B would then give it to A for A to send to C. Do you understand? And then you make your own money. But where the 50,000 naira comes from is so that you can actually have like money to order first or do all of those things. But you will make your own money. You will make your own money. So you see, 50K might not buy you peace of mind. It can be your first step to financial freedom. These businesses are beginner friendly, they are real, and they grow with consistency. Which one would you like to try first? And do you have any idea that you can share with us in the comment section for budget friendly businesses that people can actually try and to make money for them? Put in the comment section. Let's help each other grow, and don't forget to like, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and leave me comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.